Good morning, dear children. In previous class, we studied in money lesson how to add money and how to arrange these notes. Okay. In today class, we are going to learn now. Now we have to how we have to do subtraction with the money. Okay. See here. Open your maths textbook, page number 170. By looking at the pictures and the money tag, fill up the blanks as given in the example. See here. Here they given purchased articles means purchased items. Here second column money. How much we have now? That much money. And third money you spent. Whatever money we spent on this now, that we have to write. In fourth column money which is left with you. In this column what we have to write means here this is whatever money we have now, that money. See, this is for this whatever money we spent now, that amount. After spending this amount in this, how much will be remaining, that we have to find. Okay. See, one example they given already. See, second one. Rupees 30 rupees we have now. We have rupees 30. In that we purchased one 5 rupees ring and 20 rupees necklace. So for these two it's a 25 rupees. For these two we spent 25 rupees. If now we have to find in 30 rupees, if we spent 25 rupees, so how much money will be remaining now, that we have to find here. Okay. See 30 minus 25. What we have to do in this 30? We have to minus this 25. So how much will got now? See, 30 minus 25, it will be 5 rupees. So now we have 5 rupees with us. Okay. See here next. 50 rupees we have. How much money we have now? 50 rupees. In that 50 rupees, for purchasing this car, we spent rupees 40. For purchasing this car, we spent 40 rupees. Here we'll write rupees 40. So 50 minus 40, it's a 10. So this 10 rupees, after spending this 40 rupees, in this 50, we have now 10 rupees. So 50 minus 40 rupees minus 10 rupees. See next here, we have 25 rupees. In that 25 rupees, we spent for ice cream 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 10 plus 5, 15. In this 25, we spent 15 rupees for ice cream. If we spent 15 rupees for ice cream, so after spending this 15 rupees in 25, what will be remaining money? See, 25 minus 15. So 25 minus 15. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So 10 rupees we have now. Okay. You understood, no children? This will call lessing money. Okay. See now, transaction of money by using 3 and 4 notes or coins. Here we have to do transactions by using 3 and 4 notes or coins. See activity. Set up a small shop in the class with different items with price tag to them. Then one will be the shop owner who has certain amount of money with him or her, and other 2 children will act as a buyer. Buyer have rupees 30 each with them. They buy 2 items from the shop. They announce price of each item loudly. One will write the price on the board. After buying, they have to announce how much they paid to the shop owner and money left with them. This activity can be repeated for the other children also. Children, actually this we have to prepare in this classroom, but we are doing online class now, so for that I'll explaining here. Here we have items. Okay, now that shopkeeper have buy that, see that buyer who want to purchase items, no, that person have rupees 30. You think you are only buyer. Okay, will think you only buyer. You have 30 rupees. Okay, you have 30 rupees. Okay, here they given items. See, for these items and what are the price also they given. They given items and price also they given. So now what we had to do, see here. Here items are there. They given items and money. Whatever money we spent, and in this 30 rupees, if we spend this much amount, what will be remaining? See, you think you have now 30 rupees. Here you purchased this for mango. How much cost for mango? Rupees 6. So rupees 6 for mango, and this hat rupees 12. So we'll write here rupees 12. Now what we have to do? We have to add this 2. 6 plus 12. We'll add this 6 plus 12, 18. Okay. Now here, how much money you have now? You have 30 rupees. Okay. In these 30 rupees, you spent 18 rupees for this. So what is the remaining amount? Now, this 30 rupees will minus this 18. Now we'll get remaining amount, whatever money left with you. Okay. Like that only we'll do next. What is this? This is kite. For a kite, how much price is there? See, for a kite, it's a 3 rupees is there. So we'll write here 3. And for this book it is a 12 rupees. So we'll write here 12. Now first we'll add this 2. Okay, 12 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 0, 1. So 15 rupees. Whatever, how much amount do you have? You have 30 rupees. Okay. In 30 rupees, if we minus this 15, how much money will be left with you? See, 0 minus 5, we can't do. So, we'll carry 110 from here. Okay. So, 10 minus 5, 5. Yeah. 2 minus 3. In 3, we can't minus because 1 already we taken. So, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. See, for this necklace, its amount 10. And for lollipop, 8. 10 plus 8. Here, for this 10, this is for 8. Now, we'll add this 2. 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8, 18. Okay. Here, we have 30 rupees. In these 30 rupees, we'll minus this 18. So, 30 minus 18. See, 0 minus 8 we can't do. So, we'll carry 1. So, 10 minus 8, 2. Here, in this 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 12 rupees is 12 rupees amount is left with you. Okay. Next, for a flower, how much price is there? We'll see here. For a flower, 1 rupee is there. So, we'll write here 1 rupee. For bangle it is 5 rupees. So, we'll write here 5. Okay. So, 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is a 6. Okay. In this 30 rupees, if we minus 6, what will be money left now? 30 minus 6? Yes. 24. 30 minus 6, 24. You understood now, children? This is addition. This is subtraction. Okay, got it now children? You try to do this in your textbook. Okay, thank you children.